So today we're gonna open some Labubu that we got at Pop Mart. So I'm gonna open the first one. I'm not sure which one this is, so I don't know.
That's so cute.
I got the brown one, and you can also move it around, and it's a keychain, so you can put it on your backpack or anything. Now we're gonna open the second one, which is this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That's so cute.
This time I got a beige one, and it's so cute. And you can put it also on your backpack or anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna open the third one. I think we need scissors. I think we got a blue one.
That's so cute.
Okay, now we're gonna open the fourth one that we got. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
The gray one.
We got a gray one. Wow. Okay, now the fifth one we got. I hope we get the pink one. We got the pink one.
Oh, that's so cute.
This one's my favorite one. Now we're gonna do the sixth one. We might get the green one.
Oh my god. They're so cute.
Okay, the last one. Hopefully we get something good.
Green one.
We got the green one. It's also so cute. And this one's the Labubu bag that we got.
And you can hang them on. Wow, that's a big
So
one.
cute. And you can also open it. And it also has this thing so that you can also use it as like a handbag.
It's cute. And you can just have them all.
And then I also got some stickers. And this thing shows what Labubus you can get.
Oh, do they have name?
Yeah. This one's a soy milk one.
Soy milk or soy milk? I think we got soy milk. This one?
Yeah, it's that one. And this one is the pink one.
This one?
And then the green one is called,
Lychee.
and then the green one is called the green grape one.
Oh wow, they're so
Which
cute.
is this one. And then the blue one, wait, I don't think we have a, oh, this is the blue one. And it's called Sea Salt Coconut. And it's really cute. And look at the ears, it's really cute. And then we have, I think this one's that one, right? So
Toffee.
I think that one is this one, and it's also cute. And then the last one we got was this sesame bean one.
Cute.
Now that we've finished opening the Labubu, we're gonna open this one.
Okay, hold it close.